Hey everyone, Eric here, and welcome to another video. Today we're another not magic video, but actually I'm going to be teaching you guys how to use an audio visualizer, which is really cool. In my next video, which is going to be a lo-fi, which is going to be dropped next week, be sure to stick around for that. It's probably going to have an audio visualizer. So yeah, if you guys want to learn how to make an audio visualizer, be sure to stick around until the end and subscribe so you can see my lo-fi drop, which is happening next week. I also make magic tutorials, so if you guys are interested in card magic, coin magic, then stick around as well and leave a like and comment that you want more of those. I dropped a coin matrix card and coin trick tutorial today, so be sure to check that out. Alright, so basically all you need to go to for this to work is go to musicvid.org. And then once it's done, it's all free, but you might have to put in some credits. You press get started here, and then you can choose one: circle, spectrum, Fullerton, monster cat bar visualizer, etc, etc. I'm gonna actually do the universe within here. If it's this attribution acquired, then you have to give them an attribution. I'll just load my tectonic drop, which I already did, and let's wait for it to load. So once you see this have some audio lines, then you can press play and preview it. There's not gonna be any intro. I'm gonna mute this sound, but be sure to check that out. It's a pretty good video. And then as you can see, stuff is actually starting to pop up here. White stars and stuff. It'll be much better quality once you actually export it. But as you can see, it's getting more with red lines now and brighter stars and stuff, and it just kind of goes through that. But if you want an actual like kind of audio visualizer, then you're gonna choose a different one, because that's just kind of like a music video. So let's go back to that. And the more audio visualizer one is actually gonna be polar or circle spectrum. Polar tone line bed is a really cool one. Studio Wave. I'm not sure if Starfield is one, but Monster Cat Bar Visualizer is on one. So this one says free right here, so no attribution required. So let's do the Circle Spectrum. And I'll just use a sample one. Use sample audio file. And let's see. Okay. So now I think once we see there's like particles coming out, and that's a really cool one. But you can also change the particles here: number of particles, color, minimum speed, reactiveness, size. Change the background here, and you can change the spectrum over here, so like what colors you want here in the spectrum. Emblem, you can change this image here. Audio, just change the audio files. Layers, you can add 2D scenes with items and cameras and stuff. And you can do 3D scenes and canvas scenes. You can also add automatons, which I'm not sure what you do with them yet. I haven't really checked those out. We can also go to settings, render settings and stuff, camera and control, enable all controls, blah blah blah. There's also project settings. You can change this to whatever you want. Say test. I can change this to test, and you can change it available to public or not. And if you sign in, you can see your own projects, so you can keep track of those. And you can save these to a file. And you can also export them, custom time range, start time, end time, blah, blah, blah. It can take really, really long to upload, so be sure if yours is pretty long, then you can't do it. Also, this can only work for 10 minutes or less, so you can't do a 10-minute video, 10-minute 1-second video with this, but you can do 9-minute 59 seconds. And once you're done, just press start encoding. I'm obviously not going to do that. But yeah, that's a pretty short tutorial on how to add how to audio visualizer to like your music videos. And it's also a really cool just free music video thing. And yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed. Be sure to like, subscribe, and ring that bell if you did. Comment down below if this helped you. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.